Good morning, everyone. Happy Tuesday, and welcome to another week here in Sociology, and a special welcome to those of you who are joining the class this week. So if you have any questions, be sure to reach out via school email. Otherwise, keep in mind we have our office hours virtually on Wednesdays from 4:30 to 5:30. Otherwise, this week we're going to transition into the topic of race and ethnicity. So we won't completely leave issues of crime and deviance behind us. You'll see later on in this unit that we will circle back around and talk about some of those issues as they pertain to race and ethnicity in particular. But to begin this short week, one of the first things we want to do is try to understand how we define race and ethnicity, particularly in light of the fact that over time, these terminologies have seemed to have changed somewhat. In some instances, there have been some informal changes. Other instances, there have been more formal changes that have been the result of particular laws that have been passed in societies. So we'll start off with some of the basics. We'll talk about how we define these terms in contemporary society and consider briefly how they've changed over time. We'll probably look more deeply at how they've changed over time next week, provided that we have time to do so. So the second part of this week's work then is going to ask you to start to consider how our own conceptions of race and ethnicity affect our behavior, or in particular affect how we see others. Right. So there'll be two activities. The second half of the activities will be devoted to the second question on conceptions of race. The one is a TED Talk where the speaker is going to basically make the point that perhaps race is an illusion, and she'll compare some contemporary scientific understandings versus those that were initially proposed by Charles Darwin. And then in the second piece, which is going to be entitled Little Things Are Big, we're going to listen to a reflection from an individual a few decades ago. And in the reflection, he's going to basically talk about how his conceptions of race affected his behavior on one particular day. So there'll be some reflection questions also that I'd like you to complete regarding that. So we'll work on those items this week. Then next week we'll start to transition into some of the common types of behavior that are directed towards people of different minority groups and ethnicities. So I hope you have a good week. If you have any questions, as always, please reach out via school email, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. All right, take care.